Yeah, what's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? It's noon. So can y'all see that? What's up, fellas? Two in the room. What's up, two? Starting in a few minutes, like 3 more minutes. People drag on in here. What's up? What's up? Faction Freedom, Yellow Boy. Statutory duty of a step parent to support a stepchild. Wow. People who gonna come here to learn. If you want to come here to learn, you gonna burn. Real talk. You don't want to come over here to learn. Just keep burning. You gonna get burnt. How many more minutes we got left? We got a couple more minutes. What's up, Panita? We had a saying, man. What's that saying? We got another person in the room. We got one more person in the room. What's up, other person? All right, we got a few seconds and we gonna start. One second. Hey, well, shit, let's get started. What's up, James? Let's get started, man. We reserve all our rights, waive none. We don't waive any of our unknown rights. Okay. We run this child support shit. We ain't giving it back. And not only that, we the only place that perform miracles, aka results. We got some testimonies I got coming. They already happened. One guy was married, signed a divorce decree and all this old shit, and they sent him letters threatening him his license. He just got his license back. What's up, fellas? That's the shit we doing over here. You know what I mean? He ain't got to worry about child support no more. Well, let's go through step parents. We're going to talk about step parents. Fellas, if you fooling around with a woman with children, them children are none of yours, you just setting yourself up for failure. All right? You setting yourself for rape allegations. You setting yourself up to pay child support. You setting yourself up for death threats from the original orgasm maker. Okay? You setting yourself up for failure. If you just only there to tap that ass, and go. I'm being real. Just tap the ass and go. I got two women that I had children by. You know what I mean? I don't have no feelings and emotion. They getting that ass tapped. They, swallowing and playing with balls. You know what I mean? That's that new nigga stuff. I passed the pussy. Pass the pussy. Okay? That's what type of dude I am. So the Almighty Creator blessed me to get a woman now who ain't got no children. Okay? Who didn't have any children. All right? So fellas, you can start over. But messing with a woman with children, you dipping your dick in death. All right? You putting your dick inside death. I'm just giving y'all straight up. Well, let's read these laws a little bit. We're going to go to Delaware. Annotated code. All right? Hold on. Delaware. You see Delaware? Can y'all see Delaware? Let's go to Delaware. You see what this shit say? What's up, Sean? Desertion and support. You see that shit? Let's read there. The duty to support a child under the age of 18 years old, whether born in or out of wedlock, rests primarily upon the child's parents. Where the parents are unable to provide for a minor child's needs, a step parent, there we go, do the stepdaddy. Do the stepdaddy. Y'all remember that song? Do the stepdaddy. Do the stepdaddy. What's up? That's look, being a babysitter. A babysitter or an idiot who lives with this hoe in a fuck relationship of a husband and wife with the parents of a minor child shall be under the duty to provide those needs. So fellas, check this out. So if you don't live with her, you are not obligated to take care of her and her household now. You have no control on how many cocks she sucks. You don't have any control how many cocks she rides. All right? You don't have any control if she having threesomes with women over there. But if she invites you to go over there and have sex with two other women, just you and two other women, you better go. You know what I'm talking about? And be careful, take your pistol with you. But anyway, any nigga who goes over there and tries to take the biological father's position, guess what? Nigga, you got a duty, nigga. You over there being that's a duty. See, these bitches out here, most of them, they treat child support as a job. You know what I mean? Talking about mom, being a mommy is a full-time job. Bitch, you ain't got no time card. They not hiring mommies right now, bitch. That's a duty. That's something you supposed to do naturally. Nigga, fuck that. Just take the duty out. That's something you supposed to do by nature, is be a mother first. You're nurturing. So nurturing means to take care of. Fellas, go pull up the word nurturing. Okay? Nurturing. She's supposed to nurture that child. She's supposed to uh uh secure that child's future. She's supposed to hold that child, talk to that child, rear that child. Even though us fathers, we can do a better job than the mothers. So guess what? If you take them children away from her, she ain't shit. What she got? Nothing. Right? Well, let me keep reading. Such duty shall exist on while the child makes residence with such step parent or person in the marriage or cohabitation. Now, it was a viral TikTok video going on with this dude, this Caucasian dude. He married a single mom. Well, she wasn't single. He married a mother with children, and they divorced, and now he got to pay child support. Especially fellas, if you marry a single mom and you signed a divorce decree, you just took up child support from that dude. You know what I'm talking about? Think about that. Think about that, fellas. We finna have some fun today. We finna have some fucking fun. Let's try wait a minute. Here goes some. You got Hawaii. I just did Delaware, so you got Hawaii. Now you know who Hawaiian women, they beautiful, look good, but don't fall in love with the cooch. Like Pimp Bradley said, it ain't the beauty of the bitch, it's the duty of the bitch. Okay? Ain't no off days of being no mother. Ain't no off days of washing dishes in your house. Ain't no off days of sweeping and mopping. Ain't no off days for mothers, nigga. And Mother's Day shouldn't even be celebrated. Come on, man. You gonna make up a holiday for something they supposed to be doing? They done laid down, got the nut, sucked, told you the finger and do all that. Now when the baby come, they don't want to do the shit. Right? Think about that. Look at this. Hawaii, step parent liable for support of stepchild during marriage. Only a fool would do that. Hey man, I'm fine. Look, I passed the pussy. I got two women with two daughters, and they mammy is in control of them. I can't control them right now because I'm not in that house. I don't know what's going on. And it's not my business what's going on because I don't pay bills over there. See what I mean? So whatever nigga they got right now, he is accepting my role. He's over there being a babysitter and he's gonna pay for that shit. Same with you, fellas. Stop getting with these women that already have ready-made families because this is the liability right here on the screen. Right? Look at Iowa, including stepchild and definition of children to whom duty of support is owed. You can Google this shit. I got it in my law books, but we gonna play Google. We're gonna show you how to do Google the right motherfucking way. Look at this. Step parent in Kentucky. Step parents has a duty to support stepchild during marriage. Ooh, that's a shitty deal, nigga. You gotta get called punk, pussy ass nigga. You ain't my daddy, nigga. Fuck you. Fellas, I done been through it. I done heard it. I done bought a young lady $125 huaraches and got called a nigga. She said, "The hell with you, nigga." See, that's some shitty shit, right? You can't take a stepchild to a family reunion, nigga. That ain't your blood, nigga. What the fuck wrong with you? Oh, mama, yeah, this such and such child right here, yeah. That's from old such and such. That shit don't even look right. That shit don't even look right. Look at all these other states. I'm gonna read these other states. Hold on a second, I gotta answer something. I'm gonna read these other states for you, fellas. Woo, but we finna have some fun. So we got Maine right here. Let's go to Maine. Support may be ordered against third party where such party takes custody after divorce after showing parental fitness, nigga, in Maine. Look at Missouri. Ooh, look at this one here. Nigga, go look at this shit. Child support non-support statute applies equally to parents and step parents in Missouri. Montana, if step parent receives stepchild into family and supports him or her, step parent is presumed to do so as a parent. Woo, man, y'all better be careful, man. Be careful out here, fellas. Y'all, hey, man, dip. Or be a nigga like me, pass the pussy, pass the pussy. Okay? Real talk, because I'm going to tell y'all something. We in the age right now, women don't care. They showing their titties and their ass, and a lot of niggas already hit that. Real talk, that shit is for free. It belongs to the community. So, fellas, when you relinquish, and let's be honest, we tried to do right, be the head of the household and shit like that, you know. And most of these women, they had that outside hoe and friends and influence. They mammy, they old mammy getting away and shit. Shit get rocky, and you don't want to stay. You leave. You know what I mean? It's best for you to walk away, but you didn't walk away from your children. You walked away from her toxic ass. You know what I mean? You walked away from her toxic ass. You didn't walk away from your children, right? Because a lot of niggas could be killing these hoes. Am I correct? Am I saying something today? Aloha, my brother. So it takes a man to walk away from a toxic situation. Kudos to every man who walks away from a toxic bitch, because the Bible said it is bad to be in a house with a quarrelsome woman. That's in Proverbs. You ain't supposed to do that. For another thing, you'll lose your testosterone. You'll lose your testosterone from a brother Kish, what he said. You'll lose your testosterone if you fall for a bitch that's crying. Okay, fellas? Real talk. Real talk, fellas. So let's keep reading. We having fun today. Let's keep reading. Nevada. Step parent liable to the same extent as parent for neglect, dependency of a child. So the city wants you to take care of these hoes because they promiscuous. Excuse me, I fucked up twice. You know what I mean? Let's go to New Jersey. Includes as child under neglect and dependency proceedings a stepchild. Okay, check this out. New York Family Code. Step parent liable for child support of stepchild to prevent the same from becoming a public. Man, New York ain't got no filter. New York is full of hoes. Full of hoes with children. And I hate to say it because it takes a real woman to stay with the father of those children. An obedient woman takes that. But most of these women use that to get what? Some change. Excuse me. Let's talk about North Carolina. Any person standing in loco parentage to child has duty to support. Y'all see that? Peace, Smokey. Sean, what's up? No mas. Fellas, don't be no stepfather. That's shitty, bro. That's a shitty deal. All right? North Dakota, extended step-parent support duty during the marriage and so long thereafter as stepchildren remain in step-parents' family. If y'all know, if you ain't seeing your children, fellas, and if you know her boyfriend, you know a nigga coming over there, hit us up. We got a new service for that. You know what I mean? You can push the interest off onto him because he's interested. So he got to pay what he. If you interested in something, and you want it with love, you know what I mean? Being sticking your dick in it, you got to pay for it, right? Real talk. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is a good podcast today, man. My brother just sent me something. Most men don't leave their children; they leave bitter baby mamas that hold as collateral. So many kids grow up thinking they have a deadbeat father. The whole time, all they really had was a very bitter. Correct. Thank you, brother Sean. Sean just sent me that. I need to put that up. You know what I mean? I need to put that up. That's true, fellas. And the main thing too with these women, your children, mom be doing, she be trying to play them slick games because she knows she can go get the system on your ass, right? If you don't know the system, like we do at Shamstoppers. See, we know the system, okay? I can have as many babies as I want, and I don't have to worry about child support anymore. I can do my Mensa Musa and Genghis Khan. We can do that over here at Shamstoppers because we ain't nothing but Mensa Musas and Genghis Khans over here, okay? We can do that. We not hiding. I'm not hiding. We broadcasting live in Austin, Texas. 512-663-3815. We going live right now. I'm in Austin, Texas. Okay? We putting it down today. That's where we located at. That's where I'm located at. Austin, Texas, baby. I can fuck a million women and pump them with babies right now. I don't have to worry about no goddamn child support. Because you know why? Because we rule and we run this child support shit. Fellas, this ain't about child support. This is about you putting more seeds than the next so-called ethnicity group. Because the more of your images is out here, they get scared and they don't want you to run this shit. This is what it's really about, fellas. But you got to learn this law to conquer this shit. So once you learn this law, you can conquer this shit. Okay? You can spread your seed so you can succeed. How you like them apples? You can spread your seed so you can succeed. Real talk. You got to learn these laws, fellas. Like Facts of Freedom says, there's a lot of simps here too in Austin. There's a lot of mama's boys out here. You know what I'm talking about? It's crazy, fellas. Look at Oklahoma. Step parent has duty to support stepchild. Look at Oregon. Step parent has duty of support to stepchild. Look at South Dakota. A step parent shall maintain his spouse's children born prior to the marriage. Woo, that's fucked up. Look at Utah. Impose a support duty on step parent that terminates on divorce. Okay, Utah pretty good because you know why? They do Mormons up there. You can have many wives up there in Utah. That's a Mormon state. Okay, you can have you plenty wives in Utah. All right. Vermont, step parent has a duty of support to stepchild. Washington imposes a duty of support on step parent, which shall cease on termination of relationship between husband and wife. Okay, Washington, cool. Okay, Washington, cool. You know, Texas got that out here, though. It's a lot of niggas out here. You know, they sleeping around, putting their dick in the same coochie. You know, I can't do that, man. I had to find me a woman with no children. I said I wasn't going to do that no more. You know what I mean? Well, shame on me the first time. Shame on her the first time. Shame on me the second time. You know what I mean? However that shit goes, shame on me and my balls. Okay? Real talk. Being a stepdad, fuck brothers, is a shitty career. All right? You get made fun of. Okay? You are a babysitter. Okay? You're taking another man's cum spirits inside of your cop. You taking his cum inside of your cop. Right? They need to have being a step parent on Dirty Jobs on the y'all remember Dirty Jobs on Discovery Channel? They should put step parent, aka babysitter, on the Dirty Jobs channel. Real talk. We having fun today. We having fun, man. We putting this shit in the crock pot. We gonna let this shit marinate. All right. So if you know any step niggas, you got any homeboys, if they rid of your homeboys, pull it to the side and say, hey man, you gotta stop this buffoonery right now. You wanna start you a family? My nigga, start over fresh, get you something new. Like everybody in this comment section. I know it's hard. I've been there, done that. To me, it ain't hard no more. I've been in your shoes. I want to see my child. I want to see my daughter. This and that. The bitch is in the way. He won't let you do it. Hey, go get you a new woman. Go get you a new woman. Ain't got no children. And plant a seed. Sow a seed. If you want to, if you need to. Mold her into the woman you want her to be. You know what I'm talking about? Because I'm going to tell you something. Your children is okay. They okay for now because your child's mother is filling them up with lies. And them lies can only last for so long. You can only lie for so long. You know what I mean? You can only lie for so long, fellas. Real talk. I've been a step parent. I've been a fool. I helped the bitch adopt. I ain't gonna call her a bitch. I helped this lady adopt her nephew so she can receive $400 a month for adopted child because that's all she wanted to do, receive the money. She don't give a fuck about the child. There was more income for her. I did that. Brother Wasil did that. You know what I mean? I didn't want him to be in the house. You know what I mean? That's when I was a simp. I used to be a pimp, then I stepped in the simp. Like, yeah, I had them feelings and emotions. Yeah, I should do that. I love these kids. Motherfuckers didn't love me. I had the devil. That was the devil in me. Being that when you a simp, that's the devil in you, nigga. That ain't God in you. When you start having the feelings and emotions, that's when the devil's spirit come on your life, nigga. Real talk. Because when I was doing that for these stepchildren, taking them out, cooking for them, being Mr. Mom and shit, what did I get? You know the reward I got? She went down to the child support office and put my name for another benefit. I was a benefit nigga. She wanted me to be her slave, be her hoe, prostitute. She wanted, two women tried to make me they prostitute, my nigga. And let me tell y'all something. Let me give you the flip side of the spirituality of this child support. Y'all ready for this? Me and Kish had this deep conversation. If you paying for something, it is a service. So guess what, fellas? If you don't like the service, you don't have to pay the shit no more. I'm gonna say it again, fellas. If you take your ass into Burger King, into Sears Roebuck, into Walmart, and if you don't like what you paid for, and you got that thing called the receipt, what do, family? What do, clan? You take that shit back and get you a refund, right? So haven't we done child support refunds and not saying you can get your money back? Didn't we say that? Think about that, but they don't want you to see the flip side because they use these children as your crutch. They throw that shit in the way of your reality. They want you to get off track. They throw them children in there. They don't want you to talk about that money. They keep talking about the children, the children, the children, the children. They don't never put in the paperwork where you can get your money back. Now, do they say that? Now, because they telling you they do tell you it's a service though. They do say it's customer service though. They don't want you to ask for that money back. Cause guess what? Niggas start asking for their money back. Ain't gonna be no motherfucking child support no more. Everything in this country is a service, is a business, and everything is done by contracts. You get that contract after you pay for that service, for that merchandise of those goods. They know them children are the goods. They know you will do anything if they got you emotionally and spiritually. They'll get you to pay for that shit. And most niggas fall for the okie doke, for the fooga booga shit, and they pay for that shit and they sign that receipt because all them papers is what? Receipts. Am I saying something today on this rainy day? Nigga, our phone number don't change. The emails don't change. None of that. But if you want to come over here and Shamstoppers, if you want to make a change, we need some change too. You need some change to make a change. If you want to go to war, you got to pay for it. Ain't nothing free in this world. It's all a lie. Like this stimmy checks. That shit ain't free. Somebody gonna pay for that shit. I ain't getting no stimmy check. You know what I mean? Being a step parent is a shitty ass position in life. You get made fun of. You get talked about. I see niggas, man. Let another nigga tell me he a step parent. I'm gonna say, who? You what? You getting paid for that shit, nigga? Because that's a job, nigga. That ain't a duty, nigga. Being a step parent is a job, nigga. That is not a duty. That ain't nothing natural. Real talk, fellas. Peace out to the niggas that's coming, that's hitting them single moms, taking their change. That's what they get. Because they were disobedient against the natural father and need their money took. You taking the hardship, fellas. She need to go through what the fuck you're going through. Correct? Am I saying something today? On this Friday? Real talk. Fellas, you don't have to pay nothing. They can't strong arm you. If they ain't putting no gun to your head, they ain't sending no goons to beat your ass. You don't have to pay for it. They just getting in your head by that pussy ass paperwork they got. And that's when they got you spiritually, emotionally. But if you got services from us and you know deep down inside that's what it is, like, man, yeah, this nigga gave us some cold shit. We paid for some cold shit. These niggas ignoring. Well, you can ignore them too. If you ain't been to jail, you got our paperwork, you got services from us, you ain't been to jail, guess what? The shit is on point. It's on you to act upon the motherfucking shit. We can't hold your nuts. We can't hold your pee-pee hole. That's going to be extra. You want me to hold your penis to beat up some people for you? That's 50 racks, nigga. But I'm going to use some tweezers and a nuclear reactor suit. Shit, nigga. Real talk. Stop letting these people tell you what type of man you are. A real man don't pay child support, don't love his children. Then you got the step niggas talking about, man, didn't I tell y'all my first child's mother, her new nigga came to court, got mad because I chunked the deuce and he thought I was going to give him some money. So he over there being a babysitter, he washed my children for me. One of them. I probably got another nigga babysitting my child. And I appreciate them for that. I ain't asked them to do that dumb shit. They did it on their own. They fell in love with the spirit of my cum. It is what it is, fellas. The same with you. If you got a nigga that's raising I don't want to say raising. If you got a nigga that's babysitting your child, he fell in love. He's her cuckold. Being a step parent is a cuckold position in life, my nigga. Real talk. The new nanny niggas. Fellas, man the fuck up. Get your woman who ain't got no children. You can start over with your baby. Your child's mother can't. She cannot start over. She can't just give those children up. You know what I mean? When we got Joe Biden and Kamala Harris in right now, they ain't gonna give up them children because guess what? They getting that $3,600, $300 a month. Think about that. You can get it too. Go get you a new woman pregnant. Mold her by herself. Come from a good home. 2-parent home. You good. I'm trying to tell you how it is, what I'm going through and what I see. You know what I'm talking about? You got the laws up here on the screen. You got the laws on the screen, right? Let me pull up another one. What is this? I think this is Kentucky. This is Kentucky. In adoption to any other liability imposed by law, the step parent of any child who is an applicant or recipient of public assistance shall be legally chargeable with support to such child in the same manner as a biological parent. Nigga, you see that? So you got these niggas laying up, right? And a lot of y'all say they on Section 8 now, this whole shit. They laying up in that house. They gonna charge these niggas for that. Nigga, this is law, nigga. See, I'm having fun on this planet. I'm gonna have fun because I know this is heaven. Y'all living in heaven on earth. This is heaven. Because I'm gonna tell you why this heaven. Because you have a way you can be mad or happy or sad. You better choose happiness, nigga. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. When you hit that dirt, ain't no more of this shit. Ain't no more. Y'all letting these hoes be happy. This is heaven. Y'all better start getting these hoes from hell. That's all I'm gonna tell you. So you can be happy. Shit like this. Y'all see it? This in Kentucky, but this is in Kentucky. Real talk. Well, fellas, I've been on long enough. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. I appreciate y'all. Don't let nobody punk y'all. Thank you. You gotta give some hell to get in heaven. Thank you, Facts of Freedom. Real talk. Hey man, we offering new services. Y'all need some service? You know what I'm talking about? Y'all need some service, some assistance? Hit us up. Y'all know what to do. Don't be punked. You know what I mean? Much love to you, man. Dropping these gems, these science on y'all. Stop feeling bad. Stop feeling sad. Fuck them emotion shit. Nigga, go be happy. Do what the fuck you want to do. Meet you a broad who ain't got no children. Start over again, nigga. Leave a good legacy, nigga. Don't leave no poison one. You know what I mean? Bill DeVoe said, that girl is poison. Fellas, we just fucked some poison hoes. Hey, man. Peace. We out of here.